Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently. How to speak English like native speaker. So, I'm your friend and I'm here to help you to improve your English speaking practice. So, let's talk about some basic skills. Some basic skills I always told you in my all the videos that read English newspaper every day or read any other book. Listen English media for half an hour, which is also very important to improve your confidence. And if you really want to become a successful English speaker, so you have to take an effort. You have to act. You have to start speaking in English in front of the mirror. This thing is going to help you a lot to improve your English speaking practice. So, let's start today's video with some interesting words. Approbation, approval, praise. The crowd expressed its approbation of what the team had done by gleefully. Next word, appropriate, to take without permission. Nick appropriated my lunch. Aptitude, capacity for learning. Princetown review students have a marked aptitude for taking the scholastic aptitude test. Arbiter, who decides? A judge. A judge is an arbiter. Arbitrary, random, capricious. The great Mr. Simon gave his English student appeared to be arbitrary, arcane, mysterious, known only to a select few. The rites of secret cult were arcane. So we have completed the words for today. Why vocabulary is very important? Because if you really want to speak in English, so you need a vocabulary, and I'm here to help you to improve your vocabulary building. But this is not enough. You have to start reading every day, because when you start reading, you will become like you will become familiar with the English speaking, because reading just only not going to improve your speaking, but it will improve your confidence, your fluency as well. So believe me that these are the very common things which you can do to improve your English speaking practice. So I hope you like the video of today. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.